Ayan, my home cooking version cinnamon. Ayan, do you wanna know how to bake it? And then let's do it, guys. Oh yeah, all right. Looks so yummy. All right, guys. So the process now is we need to make a dough first. Okay, so I have butter here. We need to prepare. So we have 8 tablespoons of butter here. So we need to melt this. Okay, melted na yung ating butter. So mag-add tayo ng 1 cup ng milk. That is cold milk. And then 2 large egg. So mix lang natin together. And 2/3 sugar. 2/3 cup. Okay, we need to turn off that burner and remove in the burner. And 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 and 1/4. Ayan, so cover natin siya for 5 minutes. Just leave it after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here they are. Ayan. So we will add flour for this. 1 cup at a time. We need to add 3 cups. Okay. Two, 3. So here's now our dough. Pahiyaan lang natin siya dito. Papaanohin natin siya for 1 hour. Ayan, just leave it here for 1 hour hanggang sa mag-double. Ayan. Okay. So, takpan lang natin siya, guys, hanggang mag-double. So, now we will make our fillings. This is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Alright. And 1 cup of sugar. Mix lang natin siya. And set aside. Okay, after 1 hour, ito na yung ating dough, guys. Ayan. Ayan, so we don't need to so in here, guys, we need to spread water on top. Alright, so we need to roll that. We just cut into, ayan, look at that. Okay, so I have already a baking pan here. Mayroon na rin siyang parchment paper, and I put also oil for that, so it's easy to, ayan, ganyan lang gagawin, guys. Ayan, so put that in the wall like that. siya, guys. Kalagay na siya dyan. And we will going to pahingahin muna natin siya for 45 minutes bago natin siya i-bake. Ayan guys, yung ating cinnamon. Okay. So, sit aside muna natin siya for 45 minutes. Ayan. After 45 minutes na isinet aside natin siya, pinaalsa natin siya, ito na siya. So, ready na siya for baking guys. So, yung ating oven naman, nakaset siya ng bake and 350. Ayan, 350. Okay, so we will cook that for 32 minutes. Alright, so this is ready. And we will put it now. And wait until 32 minutes. Ayan. So, antayin natin siya ng 32 minutes, guys. So, while we are waiting that we'll be going to cook, I have 4 tablespoons of this is butter, guys. And we have powdered sugar. This is half cup of sugar. That is powder. And what we're going to do now is we need to add water for that. Slowly, lagyan natin siya ng water and mix it well. I need to add some more water. I think, yeah. So, here. So, ito na yung consistency na ating hinahanap, guys, na pwede natin ilagay sa ating top ng ating ayan, cinnamon. Ayan, so isit aside muna natin. Right, so we will add 1 spoon of honey. So, honey to guys, magmi-mix lang natin siya. So that is ready, guys. Hintayin natin maluto yung ating cinnamon dough. After 30 minutes, guys, ito na yung ating cinnamon. Luto na siya. Ayan. Super duper yummy. So we will pour this toppings. Ayan. Just pour it in. Ganyan lang siya guys, kasimple gawin. But super duper yummy. This is nice for coffee. Not healthy, but this is nice for the black coffee, guys. Ayan. Okay. Then, papalamigin muna natin siya. Alright guys, tikiman portion na tayo ngayon. Ayun, yung asawa ko, ayan na, mayroon na nakakain na siya. So, we will test din, of course. Kasi, ang pinakamasarap yung sa tikiman portion na talaga. So, diba? Diba mga lalabs? Ayan. So, I wanna put some butter. Para mas the best guys, lalagyan mo siya ng butter bago mo kainin. Ay, nagme-melt talaga yung aking. Nagme-melt na yung aking. Ang aking lobby. Oh, see? Ayan. So, makikita ninyo guys kung gaano. Ayan. Ayan siya, oh. So, yung cinnamon, nandyan. Ito naman yung ating titikman. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my G. OMG. Super duper yummy. Oh my God. Malambot siya, malambot. I want to add more butter. Because pag nilagyan mo siya ng butter ganyan, mas lalong malinamnam. My husband also loves red butter. Ayan. See? OMG! Masarap talaga sa kape ito, guys. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ayan. Kaya ninyong gawin, guys. Nilalagay ko doon yung mga ingredients na mayroon ako. I cannot stop eating. OMG. Super yummy. You can see, guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching my vlog. And don't forget to subscribe. And share my video para maraming makakaalam. Alright, thank you so much, guys.